Saving with Shay. I'm here for our weekend. Now, I didn't do midweek, y'all, because I was just like, I don't feel like being in the stores. I don't even really feel like being in the stores today for this weekend haul, but it's Friday. I'm going to see if I can get the video recorded today. But I hope you guys enjoyed your Thanksgiving. I know I did. I cooked on Monday, y'all, and I ate up until Wednesday. I'm not even gonna front. And I was back on track Thursday. Yesterday I was back on track. So it was amazing. I do have a giveaway to give out for this video, so definitely keep watching. And so for my weekend, I need 15 offers for $5. I don't know. I'm gonna try. If I need to get a Walmart gift card like I did last time, I will. Now I did get an offer for aisles. It's a secret offer, but I mean, I don't know. It's only if they send it to you. So there's no like link to it, but it was an offer that popped up via text that said if I did 5 offers, aisles offers before the 1st of December, that I would get an extra 5. So I'm gonna try to hit that. And they just sent that to select accounts, and so I think I got that like 2 days ago. And so I think I got that on Thanksgiving, to be honest. I think I did. As far as Flavor Wiki, I am completely caught up. I've gotten everything as of yesterday. Was the last 2 surveys came in yesterday. Between my account and Joseph's account, and now I'm just kind of sitting patiently waiting for something else to pop up, to be honest. I think that's basically it. We're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab. I will probably most likely go to Sprouts as well, because I know a lot of the aisles offers are at Sprouts, and I think I have like 4 or 5 that are there, and so we're gonna hit that as well. And so if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, definitely subscribe. Hello, this is your first time, right? I didn't say that, huh? No, I didn't. If this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button. Sure. One of you guys asked me, what was the significance of 1977? Hello, that was the year that I was born. Your girl's about to be 40. I'm about to be 48, y'all. What the hell? I'm like, what the hell? I'm like, what the hell? I'm just like, OM freaking G. I cannot believe that. Like, that is freaking crazy. Because when my parents were my age, I swear they asses was old. I swear they was old. But here I am. Here I be, 2 years away from 50. Do I feel it? Hell no. Do I look it? Hell no. No. But the fact is that I am. And so, but anyway, listen, we're going to head over to Walmart, see what kind of awesome deals we can grab. You want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching.
All right, guys. So this first thing, I don't even see it. It's the Carolina Ready Rice. I thought I've gotten it here before. I think I'm probably getting it mistaken with the Mahatma one, maybe. But anyways, it's the Ready Rice, so it's like the 90-second rice. I assume it's priced at $1.98. Getting back 99 cents on Ibotta will make that only 99 cents. I was hoping to pick it up, but my store doesn't have it. The other thing I had to grab, because they're stocking the shelf on the other side, is Banh Mi veggies. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's by Ocean's Halo. This is a free offer on Social Nature. There was 2 different ones. I clicked this one first, and so the other one went away, so I guess it's either one or the other. The other is like a sauce, and so this one is priced at $6.58. Getting that back through Social Nature, making this absolutely free. Okay, guys, and you see me grabbing this Maple Grove Farms syrup again. It's priced at $3.34. Now the offer for this, it went up on, was it inbox dollars or is it inbox dollars? It's $4 when you buy 2. So I was like, OMG, it's an even better deal. I know I already have 8 at home. 1 we're using, and we really like it. Josiah likes it, and so I'm gonna do it again. Why? Because it's an even better deal. All right, so we're going to grab a total of 4 of them at $3.34. We'll pay $13.36, getting back $8 on inbox dollars, and then there is 75 cents for each one on checkout at the one, making them only 59 cents each. All right, so this next deal is on the Sweet Nothings. It's on the Squeezable Fruit Pops. Are priced at $5.97. I have an offer on aisles for 50% back, and I have an offer on Social Nature for 20% back. Plus, you get back 70 cents on Ibotta bringing that down to $1.05. So the next thing I'm going to grab is going to be the All Free and Clear dryer sheets. They are pretty actually crowded, but here they have like this whole like aisle right here. This whole like middle lane is just a bunch of deals. Let me show you. So I guess it makes it a little easier because it's all in the center, all the way down, which is cool, I guess. But anyways, listen, so I'm gonna grab the All Free and Clear softener sheets. They're priced at $3.74. Gonna use this $2 hang tag on this. I should pay $1.74, getting back $1 on Ibotta. There's also 75 cents on inbox dollars, making this only 1 cent, which is cool. All right, so next up is the Glade air fresheners. They don't have a lot here, but there's another section I think they have these at. They're priced at $2.28. For this, there's a buy one get one free offer on Ibotta. So we're gonna grab 2 of them. We'll end up paying $4.56, getting back $2.28, makes them $1.14 each. All right, guys. So this next deal is on the Febreze Air Mist. Now make sure you scan them because obviously they're all not working. And so make sure you scan it first. I'm going to do this deal on both Walmart Rewards as well as Ibotta. Of course, 2 separate transactions. And so we're going to grab this one here, the baked cinnamon apple, which smells really good. It's priced at $3.24, getting back $2 on Ibotta, making this only $1.24. All right, and so this next deal I'm going to grab is on the Arm & Hammer Complete Care, priced at $3.98. Using $1.50 hang tag, Pilly, you end up paying $2.48, getting back $2 on Ibotta, making it only 48 cents with a limit of 3. All right, so this next deal is locked up. It's on the Advil, this one right here, the caplets, the 100 count coated ones. They're priced at $10.48, getting back $2 on Ibotta. There's also 1,125 kicks on Shopkick, which is $4.50, and then $3 on Swagbucks, makes it 98 cents. Okay, I'm also grabbing the Alka-Seltzer Fizzy Melts. These are priced at $5.48, getting back $1.50 on Ibotta. There's also 800 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.20, making this only 78 cents. Alright guys, so let me go ahead and announce the winner of a $25 Walmart e-gift card. I'll pop up my email address for you to email me at. Teresa Leach channel 2423, you are the winner. So definitely hit me up and I'll get that emailed to you as soon as possible. So this next deal is on the U by Kotex. It's on the 40 count. The 50 count is not working. We're gonna grab 2 of them, priced at $3.64. You end up paying $7.28, getting back $8 for each on Ibotta, plus a 10-cent any FemCare rebate. And then we'll also get back $3 on Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, Artada, bringing that down to $8.09 each. Alright, so we're at Sprouts. And the first section I always check is right here where it's the brand new stuff, like the new items. And so the first thing we're gonna grab is the key. It's a, what is it? It's an energy drink, and they're priced at $3.99. They're priced at $3.99. For this, you want to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $7.98, getting back $3.99 through aisles, which is a buy one get one free offer. And we'll also get back $3.99 from Social Nature, which is buy one get one free. Making them both. All right, next up is going to be the Recoup. I've gotten this before. They're priced at $2.50, so we're going to grab 1 and we're going to get that back through aisles, making this absolutely free. All right, so next up is the Wild. So I think I mentioned this some videos ago. It's priced at $5.99. I think back then it was buy one get one free, but now it's buy one get one free. So we're gonna grab one, price at $5.99, getting that back through aisles, making this absolutely free. Which one do I want? It's salsa. So I think I'm gonna go hot. Go hot or go home. And then the other thing I'm grabbing again is the rotten worms. Just I actually like these surprisingly. I think I got this one last time. I think I'm gonna grab this one, the original one. This time around, they're priced at $3.50, and you're gonna get that back through aisles, making this absolutely free. All right, so the last thing I'm gonna grab is the True Whip. I did do this deal before, but I have another offer for $2 back through aisles. I think I got the original one, the purple one last time, and that one was actually really good. And I'm low-key really curious to try the keto one. So it'll make it 50 cents, which is definitely not bad.
All right, guys, so here is our complete haul for today. Everything worked out okay. I did have some hiccups though. Like, I ain't gonna lie. Like, I know sometimes y'all be thinking that everything goes perfect all the time for me, but let me just tell you that it don't. All right, it don't. Okay, there's tons of times I gotta take stuff back. There are times I do submit to the wrong app, which I did today. I did one receipt for the all and the Maple Grove, and the Maple Grove wasn't even on inbox dollars. I was supposed to submit that to Tada. So I had to return, repurchase, submit that to Tada. I didn't check to see that the offers were still on Shopkick, so I have to return the Advil and the Clorox because it went down to 100 kicks, and I did not check prior, which, yeah, your girl's brain was flustered, okay, flustered. What else did I do wrong today? I think that was it, you know? But hell, that was enough. I didn't mention the boost. I just realized that. So I've been really into protein shakes lately, and I was doing the Premier kind, and then I switched to the Equate to see how it tasted, the 4-packs, and it tastes just as good. But then I realized I have an offer on Ibotta for the boost again, and I already went through the other packs. And so I wasn't going to include that because that's something I'm going to buy anyways, but I decided, hey, let me just include it. And I'll probably go back maybe even tomorrow and grab 2 more for Walmart rewards, but today I just got the 2. Those are on rollback for $9.98, $3.50 back on Ibotta, makes them like $5. So, and $5 is cheaper than the Equate brand, which is like I want to say $7.50. And the Premier is like almost $10. So, I'll definitely be doing that deal again for Walmart rewards. If it percent on Ibotta, I'll go ahead and max it out and do it 2 more times as well. That was the main reason why I had a net cost for this, because that was $10 for both of those. And so I went ahead and included that in this haul. I did the Febreze on both Walmart rewards and Ibotta, and I did the Rockstar on both Ibotta and Walmart rewards. Now, I'm actually excited that I'm doing the Rockstar again. I don't know what the hell was going on with them, but I text offer. I went through all of my text messages for iOS, and I just text offer to all of them to see which ones are still good. And so that I could delete the ones that are no longer valid, because I hate having a bunch of text messages on my phone for just no reason whatsoever. And so when I text offer to the Rockstar one, it said I can buy 2 and get back 5. So I was like, cool, bought 2, got back 5. It worked perfectly. And then I went ahead and did it for Walmart rewards as well. It went through perfectly. So I'm crossing my fingers and toes. And it does look like it's still tracking my referral offers, which I have like 76. So I'm hoping that I can kind of start running through those, because that does expire, I believe, the end of December. And so, yeah, so there is that. Other than that, I think that basically covers it. As far as the aisle offers, everything has gone through. I'm just waiting for it to hit my PayPal. As far as on Social Nature, I'm still waiting for those 3 items. It was the Ocean Halo. What else was there? Oh, I forgot something. I forgot the Squeezable Fruit Pops. I'm still waiting for that. And what was the other thing? And the Key drinks. So all of that, as far as Social Nature, I'm still waiting for. The Grove, the Maple Grove, that went into review on Tada. And I think that's basically it. The receipt for the Checkout 51, that one went through perfectly fine. And so everything that you see here retails $109.78. We had $6.50 in coupons, and that was for the Arm & Hammer toothpaste and the Awe fabric sheets. That brought the out-of-pocket down to $103.28. Our sales tax was $3.76 for this. And then we walk away with $30.96 from aisles. Ibotta is $26.35. Social Nature $11.76. Shopkick $8.10. Tada $8. Inbox dollars was $3.75. Walmart rewards is $3. And last but not least, Checkout 51 is $3. Walking away with a total of $94.92 back in rebates. Nets everything you see here at $8.36.
Again, I'm not mad at it because I got the protein shake and I included that in that. So if I wouldn't have included that, this would have probably been like $1 and some change moneymaker. But I included it because, yeah, for the reasons I already stated previously. Really quick with Shopkick. Now, I guess my app finally updated, and I don't like the way that they have it where you submit your receipts. It kind of just gives you things by default based on what you have, if it finds it, if it matches or whatever. You can no longer, at least for me, with the updated app, you can no longer specify which ones you're submitting for. I don't like that. So I went in and that's when I realized that the Clorox kicks dropped. I'm not gonna keep that Clorox, right? And I noticed that, I had noticed before I submitted that receipt that I didn't have the Advil on the sister apps. So when I went in to check out 51 to submit my receipt, I realized that the Clorox went down. So I backed out and I exited out. So doing that, when I went back in, it said, oh, this receipt has been seen before. So I had to put a ticket in, and I tried to submit that receipt twice. I don't like how it does that, all right? And I think it did that before. If you submitted a receipt and let's say you forgot to submit for something, it would say, oh, we've seen this receipt before, contact support or whatever. The support ticket that you put now, it's like a long form. It's like, am I filing my flipping taxes or what? Because I feel like it's so much more you have to include. I think the last time I did it, I had to put the store address or whatever. I'm just like, are you serious? So I had to put a ticket in. I did exclude the Clorox because I told them I was taking that back and the Advil back as well. They still gave me credit for it. So I'm like, okay, not just that, but going back, I don't like the way it gives you stuff by default, because it's like, I feel like we should still be able to specify what we want to claim. Because like, usually if I have an issue where I know I'm going to take something back, I'm not going to claim for it. Like with Ibotta, you can just uncheck it. You can just take it off of your list, right? But with Shopkick, you can't do that. So it's going to automatically give you credit. And so I don't really care much for that. What do you guys think in the comments? I don't like it at all. I think they should go back to just letting us specify what we want credit for or what we're submitting for. But anyways, so $8.36. I'm not mad at it. Other than that, I appreciate you guys watching. If you make it to the end of the video, I really, really appreciate you guys watching. Josiah, what's our emoji again? He said a magnifying glass and eyeglasses. He's just started wearing his glasses, so he just started wearing his glasses. He got his glasses like a month ago, and he just started wearing them, so he's been wearing his glasses. So if you make it to the end, an eyeglass emoji or a magnifying glass. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.